Welcome back to Pump with Thilly. If you're breastfeeding your baby, one of the easiest ways to understand how feeding is going is by paying attention to your baby's poop. It may not be the most glamorous part of motherhood, but those diapers can give you valuable clues about feeding, hydration, and your baby's digestion. In the first few days after birth, your baby's poop changes as your milk supply transitions. Newborns usually start with meconium, which is thick, sticky, and very dark. As your baby takes in colostrum and then more breast milk, the poop typically becomes lighter, softer, and more yellow. Once breastfeeding is well established, breastfed babies often have loose, mustard yellow stools that may look seedy or grainy. This appearance is completely normal. Breast milk is highly digestible, so breastfed baby poop is usually softer and less formed than the poop of babies who receive formula. Poop frequency can vary a lot. Some breastfed babies poop several times a day, especially during the early weeks, while others may eventually go several days between bowel movements. What matters is the overall pattern, along with feeding behavior, wet diapers, and healthy growth. Your baby's poop can also give you clues when something may need attention. Very hard or pellet-like stools are not typical for a young exclusively breastfed baby. Red streaks, black stools after the newborn meconium period, or white or very pale stools should be discussed with your baby's healthcare provider. If your baby has frequent watery diarrhea, seems unusually sleepy, refuses feeds, or has noticeably fewer wet diapers, seek medical advice promptly. Remember, poop color can change occasionally because of normal digestion, but it's the combination of diaper patterns, feeding, hydration, and growth that gives you the clearest picture. So, the next time you open a diaper and see that familiar yellow, seedy poop, remember, it's often a perfectly normal sign of breast milk digestion. For more practical breastfeeding and baby care guidance, subscribe to Pump with Thilly. You're learning your baby one diaper, one feeding, and one day at a time.